How to clear iPhone RAM or memory. Clearing your iPhone's RAM can help speed up your device and improve its overall performance. So let's get started. To clear your iPhone's RAM, first press the volume up button. Then press volume down button. Next, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off screen appears. But do not slide the button to power off your device. Now press and hold the home button until you return to the home screen. If you have passcode on your iPhone, it will appear on the screen. This will clear your iPhone's RAM. That's it. Those are the steps to clear your iPhone's RAM. This can help speed up your device and improve its performance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.